At any point you want to delete your Google Fit data or your data stored on Google Fit. So go ahead and open the Google Fit app and then tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings gear. Scroll down a little and you see delete your data. Tap on this and this will open health and fitness data. You can delete for activity, body measurements, sleep and vitals. And if you want to delete all the data, you can tap on delete all. Now when you tap on any of these, this will show you all the options you can delete. You can delete individual options or you can delete entire measurements. Now you can also do the same when you tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen and you see Fit Data and Privacy. Tap on this and you'll be able to delete and export your data. You'll be able to also see devices that are connected to your Google Fit account. Here you'll also be able to disable. When you tap on delete option, you'll be taken to the same place again. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.